The Krankcycle standing, split, push and row spin is an upper body cardio spinning exercise machine from Matrix. This strengthens the chest, back, shoulders, arms, and core. Kranking is a great calorie burning cardio option if you are not able to use your lower body due to an injury. There's also an option with no seat that makes it wheelchair accessible. To get started, place the headstock into retro position by unlocking it, then rotate it around so the bend of the crank arms are pointing away from your body, then lock it. While standing, pull the lever to raise the height of the headstock to a comfortable position. You can increase or decrease the resistance by turning the knob with your free hand while continuing to crank with the other hand. With a hip width stance, position the crank arms in a split position with one on top and the other on the bottom. Brace your abs, then pull the top handle towards you while pushing the bottom handle away from you in a nice and smooth rotational spinning motion. Repeat for time. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.